Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, I want to answer the question, what do I have to do to make money on YouTube? First, you need to understand what YouTube is. YouTube is a search engine. People go to YouTube to find answers to their questions. Those questions typically being problems. The most common question being, how do I, or how to, or how can I? People are looking for answers, and their go-to search engine for that is YouTube because they'll get a video. Just like what you did right here. You searched, or you're searching for, how can I make money with my YouTube channel, or how can I create a YouTube channel to make money, or how can I use YouTube to make money online? All these questions come up and you go to YouTube to get the answer. So the answer lies in the question you're asking. And really, it's just that simple. So let me show you a few examples. Let's pop over onto the computer and look at a few of these so we can clearly understand what it is YouTube is providing for us and also how it allows us to be able to make money on YouTube. So here we are on YouTube, and I'm simply just going to go up to the search bar and I'm just going to type how to, and you're going to see how to draw, how to get free Robux, how to solve a Rubik's Cube, how to cut your hair, how to tie a tie, how to lose weight fast, how to delete Instagram account, how to make French toast, how to save a life, how to lose belly fat, how to cut men's hair. So you have to step back and you have to realize that your job as a YouTuber, if this is a job that you want, or if you just want to use YouTube as a marketing platform or as a marketing channel to make money, then you simply need to come onto YouTube and you need to start answering these questions. Okay? How do I? Where do I? How can I? How can I ease the pain? How can I keep from singing? How can I help you say goodbye? How can I live without you? How can it be? How can I look so good? How can I be sure? Another good example is, what is the best? This really falls into the review category. So you could really think, okay, well, how can I help people? I could show them the best thing that they want to buy, the best headphones, the best stereo system, or the best supplement for this type of workout, or the best supplement to take when you're a certain age. This is the way that you make money on YouTube. How can I make money on YouTube? You can simply use YouTube to deliver a message to an audience. So inside of marketing, that's what we call a niche. A niche being a group of people with a set of problems that are looking for a solution to that problem. Now, there may be different stages of where they're at in looking for that solution. So it's called customer awareness, and you need to work and you need to be able to find out exactly what your customer is thinking, what your target audience is thinking. Again, you need to step back and you need to say, okay, how can I make money on YouTube? You're probably thinking the best way for me to make money on YouTube is like all the other big YouTubers. I need to have tons and tons of views, and I need to go find out how to get more views on my YouTube video. Really, you only need a subset of views, a small amount of views. You just need those views to be very targeted. Again, that's why you're going to utilize what I'm showing you right here to figure out how to make money on YouTube by answering very specific questions. And then people are going to search out the answer to that question. You're going to provide the best information on YouTube, and that is how you're going to make money on YouTube. So my recommendation is really not to just complicate it or overcomplicate it. Just keep it as simple as it is and as it needs to be. And again, how can you make money on YouTube? Just start providing content that helps solve a problem that people are actually looking for. So if you currently have a YouTube channel and you'd like to learn how to optimize it and how to really set up your channel to get found, or you don't have a channel yet and you're wondering how exactly to go about setting it up, go ahead and watch this video here on the end screen. Click that, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.